To scan or not to scan? That is the $1,000,000 Blotto ticket question.
What are you waiting for, Ricardo? You want to be a squishy toilet brush for the rest of your life?
Blessed mamacita of chance! My ticket is the big winner! I am no longer what the poets call flat broke.
Enough celebrating. Now that you're filthy rich, you gotta learn how to look and act rich and filthy. And I'm just a classy guy to show you how it's done. For starters, you're way too pale. Wealthy folks love their fake tastes.
This tan does not smell fake. It smells banana-y.
Whoops, better turn up the heat. We're late for your hair appointment.
But I do not have hair.
You do now.
No, not even. Oh boy. No. Perfect.
Some unnatural color and a spritz to achieve maximum helmet hair. A tornado couldn't undo that, too.
As I always say, the peel makes the banana.
I'm in my banana birthday suit. Hey, who is this dashing fruit? And what has he done with Ricardo?
Now for the icing on the cake, aftershave. I mixed it myself out of prune juice, pine air freshener, and rusty pipe water.
Oh, yes. I positively reek of success. I am a new banana. Now begone, peasants. I am too rich to associate with the likes of you.
I told him everything he knows. So proud.
It's the Grossery Gang.
Shopping? It's going rotten.
Starring Putrid Pizza as Pizza Face, Shoccoli as Doc Brocc, Rotten Egg as Egghead, Sticky Soda as Sparkles, and Dodgey Donut as Rocky. It's where your shopping's gone rotten.
They're the Grossery Gang from the Yucky Mart store.
Yeah, so let's recap. We were trying to throw food at the slushy machine, but missed, and made a vast mountain of crud, which we then decided to climb because it's there. Then we survived rotten coleslaw, sharp chips, and flypaper, but were washed away in an avalanche of nacho cheese. I think we can say, greatest day of our lives! Wait, where's Sparkles? I can't budge her! I have an idea. Follow my lead. Hey, Sparkles, your soda is flatter than a pancake at a steamroller derby. Yeah, your get up and go, got up and win! The water that drips out of the air conditioner has more fizz than you! Lasso, quick! Tuna fish. Cool! Man, I've never been this high! What was that? I said this high! I have a bad feeling about this. Thanks, Sparkles! We knew you had it in you!
So, you weren't being jerks for no good reason?
Nope, for a very good reason. We were trying to get a rise out of you. And it looks like the rise was about a mile. And there's the top! In a few minutes, we'll reach the summit in one day.
What's up with Pizza Face?
I read about this in a science journal. Or maybe a comic strip. Pizza Face is unconsciously afraid of heights.
Afraid of?
Shh! Don't tell him, or he'll become paralyzed with fear. As long as we don't go too high too fast, we'll be fine.
Smell that fresh mountain.
Did I say we'll be fine? I meant we'll be goners! No! At least we're not too high up now.
It's the Grossery Gang.
Shopping? It's going rotten.
Starring Putrid Pizza as Pizza Face, Shoccoli as Doc Brocc, Rotten Egg as Egghead, Sticky Soda as Sparkles, and Dodgey Donut as Rocky. It's where your shopping's gone rotten.
They're the Grossery Gang from the Yucky Mart store.
focus, team. We hit that slushy handle right there, and we'll have a very tsunami on our hands. Yeah, hit me with that wave of flavor. Doc Brocc, you ready to fire the next round?
Twanky, locked and loaded, sir.
Let's do this.
Yeah! Feel my wrath.
That's your wrath?
Well, let's see you try it.
Ha! Pizza cake! Get it? Pizza cake? Kill me!
Just fire the juice box.
Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Juice box! Wow! Ah! I want that slushy storm! Yeah! Smackdown!
Guys?
Not one thing hit the slushy machine. Sure it did. I don't remember slingshotting Egghead.
I was the one yelling, no, stop, don't!
Oh yeah, I remember. Well, team, there's only one thing to do when life gives you a mountain of crud. Go mountain climbing! Yeah!
It's the Grossery Gang!
Shopping? It's going rotten!
Starring Putrid Pizza as Pizza Face, Shoccoli as Doc Brocc, Rotten Egg as Egghead, Sticky Soda as Sparkles, and Dodgey Donut as Rocky. It's where your shopping's gone rotten.
We're the Grossery Gang from the Yucky Mart store!
Team, we're gonna be the first explorers in history to climb all the way to the top of Mount Yuck. Are you ready?
Yeah!
And why are we climbing Mount Yuck?
Cool new kinds of frostbite
Coloring our cheeks, hopefully green.
to find Rocky.
No!
Because it's there.
There. Let's do this! Yeah! Journal, day 1. The hike is brutal. The team is showing fatigue. The glorious speech at base camp is but a distant memory now. These have been the most grueling 5 minutes of my life.
If we're ever gonna make it to the top, we'll need some encouragement.
Yeah! Oh, got some right here. Wow, that worked. Oh, what about me? Journal, day 5. Every day has been a new challenge. We chopped our way across crusty coleslaw chasm. We ran across corn chip ridge. Finally, we reached the great dirty tissue divide.
Help me.
Stay in the middle of the flypaper.
It's too sticky. I can't make it.
Step on their heads. It's the only way. Ow, right in the compound eye.
Sorry.
Whoa!
Sparkles, no!
I'm just right here. Can you help?
Oh, hey, sure.
Yeah!
We made it! There's only one proper way to celebrate this, in the manner of their greatest Swiss mountaineers. With a victory yodel!
Excuse me. No, Pizza. That wasn't your lunch. The yodeling caused that.
Nacho cheese avalanche! Ah! Day 437. We're scaling the perilous breakfast burrito bluff high on Mount Yuck. One false move and it's over. But there's no turning back. Everyone knows what happens when mountaineers get stranded.
Hey, stop eating me.
No! Doctor's law. Things are terrifying. We can't tell our leader he's unconsciously afraid of heights, or he'll freak out and doom us.
Why is everyone so quiet? Man, check that awesome view! I've never been up so yeah!
Pizza Face, stop doing that! You'll cause a landslide!
Stop doing what? And how could I possibly cause a
Because you're afraid of... Ow!
Phew! See? As if I could cause a landslide.
We did it! We made it to the top. Or the top made it to us. Whatever.
Victory, made only sweeter by the perils we overcame. Sparkles almost lost her fizz. We nearly drowned in nacho cheese. But we made it, thanks to the steely courage and smoldering good looks of our great leader, me. I hereby claim Mount Yuck in the name of all that is gross.
Boy, it's a good thing we didn't tell you you're unconsciously afraid of heights. 'Cause then you would have freaked out and caused a disaster, probably killing us all.
Sorry?
I said, it's a good thing we didn't tell you you're unconsciously afraid of heights. 'Cause then you would have... Forget it.
Afraid of...